Welcome! In today's video, I'm going to show exactly how to add your location on Snapchat using the latest updated method. If you want your profile to look more complete or help others know where you're based, this is a quick setting you can easily update in just a few taps. Let's jump right in. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile settings. Once you're on the main camera screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your personal profile page where all your account details are stored. Now, on your profile page, find and tap on Public Profile. If you don't see this option, you may need to create a public profile first, but most users already have it available. After opening your public profile, look toward the top of the screen and tap on the Edit icon. This is where you can customize different parts of your profile that others can see. Next, scroll until you find the Location option and tap on it. This is the section where you can add or update your location details. Now simply enter your location information. You can type in your city, region, or any location you want to display on your profile.